Hi everyone, meteorologist Rusty Dawkins looking at the next few days, and it's spring for all intents and purposes, and today kind of felt like it for many spots. Low temperatures today, coldest to the north, where we saw some single digits around here, but 18 in International Falls, 11 in Billings, Montana, but you had the teens and the 20s and the 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s for lows. High temperatures today did not struggle for many spots, especially the southeastern half of the U.S., Oklahoma City, Indianapolis, and everybody south and east, 60s and 70s. A little cooler in the central part of the U.S., 50s for Denver, into Nebraska, Kansas, and parts of Iowa, and then colder once you got up towards Billings and International Falls. For Tuesday, kind of the same. Monday was chilly for the northern half, warmer for the southeastern half. Look at that, 90 in San Antonio. That right there, that's warm. 75 in New Orleans, 64 in Oklahoma City. All of those are pretty mild, especially that 90 in San Antonio. But you got a whole batch here of temperatures pretty close to normal, really. That 57 in Lincoln, a little above average. 48 in Denver, that's about normal. So kind of a typical March day. Then we start, and it's a little warmer than average. Notice single digits above average from Oklahoma City to Lincoln, but double digits from San Antonio, 90, 20, almost 20 degrees in Indianapolis, and then a little cooler further west. Afternoon temperatures on Wednesday, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. And again, this is warmer for the eastern half, cooler for the western half. This has been a trend all of February, now so far almost all of March, where these temperatures are cooler to the west, much warmer to the south and east. So all of a sudden you have these anomalies that are single and double digits above average for the eastern half of the U.S., and single digits to sometimes double digits below average for the western half of the U.S. That continues into, at least through the first week of March. And then as you look further out, all the way through March 18th, so March 12th through March 18th, above average temperatures. This is continuing. This may end up being one of the warmest for the entire U.S., warmest start to the year for the first 3 months on record if this continues. January was cold, but February was way above average, and March continues to be way above average. So January and February kind of canceled themselves out. Looks like March, though, may be continuing that warming trend. 8 to 14 day outlook for precipitation is decent, but it's just a little bit above normal, not significantly above average for precipitation potential, but at least it's above average. We could really use the moisture. Speaking of, the severe weather potential for Tuesday is from about Arkansas south to Louisiana. Just kind of a couple of states there, maybe eastern Texas, maybe even the southern fringes of Missouri. And then as we head into Wednesday, the chance for severe storms, which would be large hail and damaging wind, would likely be the southern half of Florida, and that's about it. So there's that severe chance Tuesday morning, and then into Tuesday late in the evening hours. Again, most of the rainfall will be east of the Mississippi, some snowfall in parts of the northwest. That rain moves through, another wave moves through on Friday, and then here's where spotty showers and thunderstorms continue. This is through Saturday evening. Look at that snow in the upper elevations towards West Virginia and Kentucky, and then everything kind of moves out as we head through the second half of the weekend. How much rain are we talking about? Could see significant amounts, 1 to 4, maybe 6 inches from Atlanta to New Orleans, especially Alabama and Mississippi, seeing a lot of rain. The western half of the U.S., that's more of a snow potential, especially the upper elevations towards areas in California that just got pummeled with snowfall, and then maybe some more snow towards Minnesota and the Dakotas. So that's your forecast for the next few days. Like and subscribe if you can. We'll see you next time.